A very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. I hope you all are fine and everybody is fine at home, children. As you all are board students, so I always suggest you to work very hard, to work according to the board student. Don't consider that you have enough time. There is no time for better preparation, for the best preparation. So if you want to give your best, if you want to give your 100%, so I hope, I think you are also agree with this one, that there is a very less time for your examination. So start working now. If you have don't start working on it, so अभी शुरू हो जाइए, अभी मेहनत करने के लिए रेडी रहिए और develop the mental preparedness in yourself. And the most importantly, we are doing the revisions of the chapter meeting life challenges, as it is coming in your next revision test. So in this regarding, the topic which I am going to discuss with you today is the types of stress. The last time I had discussed with you about the sources of stress. So today I will discuss about the types of stress. Types of stress. When I talk about the type of stress, so here the word came the stress. What is stress? Stress क्या है? So it is it can be described as the pattern of responses an organism makes to stimulus event that disturb the equilibrium and exceed a person's ability to cope. स्ट्रेस क्या है? एक तरह का पैटर्न ऑफ रेस्पॉन्स होता है जो कि ऑर्गेनिज्म अपने स्टिमुलस इवेंट टुवर्ड करता है, जो उसके इक्विलिब्रियम को डिस्टर्ब करता है और उसकी कोपिंग एबिलिटी को बढ़ा देता है. जनरली हम लोग बात करें तो स्ट्रेस आर ऑफ टू काइंड. स्ट्रेस दो तरीके के होते हैं, यू स्ट्रेस एंड डी स्ट्रेस. यू स्ट्रेस एंड डी स्ट्रेस. यू स्ट्रेस जो होता है वो पॉजिटिव स्ट्रेस होता है, अच्छा होता है, हमें ये स्ट्रेस लेना चाहिए. और डी स्ट्रेस जो होता है वो नेगेटिव स्ट्रेस होता है, नेगेटिव होता है, ये हमें नहीं लेना चाहिए. वी शुड अवॉइड द डी स्ट्रेस. अदरवाइज क्या होता है कि बाय टेकिंग सो मच डी स्ट्रेस, दो द कंडीशन समटाइम वेयर पीपल डेवलप अ काइंड ऑफ डिसऑर्डर ऑल्सो. If you studied about the abnormal behavior, so in defining the abnormal behavior, the 4 D's were there. Out of the 4 D's, the one of the D is also known to be de-stress. Okay, so de-stress yani negative stress is obviously harmful for you children. It is very much harmful and it should be avoided by you. So it will be a better. So generally there are two types of stress, U stress and D stress. U stress is a positive stress and D stress is a negative stress. Apart from this, in a broad, what are the classification of the types of stress? इनके अलावा कुछ और भी क्लासिफिकेशन है स्ट्रेस के, जिनमें सबसे पहला आता है the first one came the physical stress. The second is the environmental stress. The first one is the physical stress. The physical stress होता है, then it is the environmental stress. Okay. The first one is the physical stress. Second is environmental stress. I think it is not showing to you, so I am writing over it here. Physical stress, environmental stress. Okay, physical stress, environmental stress. The third one is the psychological stress. Okay, and the last one is the fourth one is the social stress. So basically there are two types of stress. Okay, U stress and D stress, but in a broad manner there are 4 types of stress. Okay, physical, environmental, psychological and social. ये 4 types of stress होते हैं. आज हम लोग इस वीडियो में इसी 4 टाइप्स ऑफ स्ट्रेस को डिस्कस करेंगे वन बाय वन। ओके, ओवरऑल हम लोग ने सभी स्ट्रेस के बारे में डिस्कस किया। अब हमें इन स्ट्रेस के टाइप्स को डिटेल्स में डिस्कस करना है, जिनमें सबसे पहले आता है फिजिकल स्ट्रेस। द फर्स्ट वन केम द फिजिकल स्ट्रेस। फिजिकल स्ट्रेस होता है लोगों को, और ऑब्वियसली दिस में अफेक्ट द पर्सन very drastically, and it is something which person are unable to avoid it. Like right now also extreme cold weather is creating a physical stress on an individuals. Any illness, any kind of injury happen to the person is come under the physical stress. So physical stress are the demands that change the state of our body. We feel strain when we overexert ourselves physically. So physical stresses are demands. Physical stresses are the demand that change the state of our body. We feel strain when we overexert ourselves physically, lack a nutritious diet, suffer an injury, or fail to get enough sleep. So ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, जैसे if we are not taking the nutritious diet, if we are not taking a nutritious diet, if we suffer from any kind of injury, or if we fail to get enough sleep. So ये सारे फिजिकल स्ट्रेस है। स्लीप भी सही अमाउंट में नहीं लेने से भी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं। सो if the person is suffering from any kind of injury, illness, so all come under the physical stress. So it include the injury, it include the illness, it include the lack of sleep, okay, lack of nutritious food, proper exercise, time for self care. So इन सारी चीज़ों के डिवॉइड में अगर लैक ऑफ स्लीप है, लैक ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन फूड है, लैक ऑफ प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज है, लैक ऑफ टाइम है फॉर सेल्फ केयर, एनी काइंड ऑफ इंजरी, एनी काइंड ऑफ इलनेस, सो ऑल कम अंडर द फिजिकल स्ट्रेस। इसके बाद सेकेंड कैटेगरी होती है स्ट्रेस की, वो होती है इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस। कुछ इन्वायरमेंट भी हमारे ऊपर स्ट्रेस क्रिएट करते हैं। फिजिकल स्ट्रेस के अलावा कुछ इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस भी होता है। इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस which are created by the environment, so they are come under the environmental stress. What are the environmental stress are? So the environmental stresses are aspects of our surrounding that are often unavoidable, जिनको हम avoid ही नहीं कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, such as air pollution, crowding, noise, heat of the summer, cold winter, etc. Another group of environmental stresses are catastrophic event or disaster such as fire, earthquake, flood, etc. ये सारी चीजें हैं। So these all come under the environmental stresses. Environmental stress में जैसे कि सबसे पहले आपका जैसे नॉइज भी एक तरह का environmental stress होता है, जो कि पर्सन को बहुत अफेक्ट करता है। If the most common example, if the person is preparing for any kind of examination, so at that time noise is creating so much problem for them. Okay, noise. Then crowding भी problem create करता है. It is also a kind of environmental stress, which our surrounding put on the individual. ठीक है, क्राउडिंग भी एक तरह का इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस होता है। जो कि इंडिविजुअल पे पुट ऑन होता है। Crowding means the space is less and the number of people are more. So that is mean the crowding. Okay. So obviously you feel like irritated, you feel like exertion of the body, you feel not having comfortable. So ये सारे problems आते हैं crowding में, noise में। ये सारे environmental stress हैं जो हमारे ऊपर हमारी सराउंडिंग पुट ऑन करती है। इनके अलावा पॉल्यूशन इज ऑल्सो कम अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस। पॉल्यूशन कैन बी ऑफ एयर पॉल्यूशन, वाटर पॉल्यूशन, नॉइज पॉल्यूशन। ठीक है, तो ये भी इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस का ही पार्ट है पॉल्यूशन। इसके बाद और कौन से इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस होते हैं? नॉइज हो गए, पॉल्यूशन हो गए, क्राउडिंग हो गए। ओके, देन है हीट ऑफ द समर। ठीक है, हीट ऑफ द समर ये भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस देता है पर्सन को। ठीक है, देन कोल्ड विंटर, अभी आप जिस चीज़ को फेस कर रहे हो, तो ये सारी चीज़ें क्या है? इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस है जो कि इन्वायरमेंट ने हमें दी हैं। इनके अलावा ये तो कुछ कॉमन है, बट कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो बहुत डिजास्टर वे में चली जाती हैं, वो भी इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस में ही आती हैं, जैसे कि फ्लड आ गया। ठीक है, अर्थक्वेक है। ठीक है, एनी काइंड ऑफ नेचुरल डिजास्टर, जितने भी नेचुरल डिजास्टर हैं, ठीक है, अर्थक्वेक, जितने भी नेचुरल डिजास्टर हैं वो आते हैं, फायर, ये सारे क्या हैं? ये एक तरह के इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस है। ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें, द होल थिंग्स आर कम अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस। आगे बढ़ते हैं। फिजिकल स्ट्रेस डिस्कस कर लिया हम लोग ने, इन्वायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस डिस्कस कर लिया। देन नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी है टाइप्स ऑफ स्ट्रेस की, साइकोलॉजिकल स्ट्रेस। कुछ साइकोलॉजिकल स्ट्रेस भी होते हैं पर्सन को। फिजिकल और इन्वायरमेंटल के अलावा भी कुछ स्ट्रेस होते हैं, वो होता है साइकोलॉजिकल स्ट्रेस। साइकोलॉजिकल स्ट्रेस, ठीक है, साइकोलॉजिकल भी होता है। सो दीज आर स्ट्रेसेस दैट वी जनरेट आवर सेल्फ इन आवर माइंड। ये तो वो स्ट्रेसेस होते हैं जो कहीं बाहर से नहीं आ रहे हैं, आउटसाइड नहीं है, एक्सटर्नल नहीं है, फिजिकल नहीं है, इन्वायरमेंट नहीं है, ये हमारा माइंड खुद से जनरेट करता है इसे। These are personal and unique to the person experiencing them and are internal sources of stress। ये सारे internal sources है स्ट्रेस के, ये बहुत यूनिक होते हैं। यूनिक मीन्स सिर्फ आप जो एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो सकता है वो दूसरा एक्सपीरियंस ना करे। सो इट इज़ यूनिक एंड वेरी पर्सनल एंड इंटरनल। We worry about problems, feel anxiety or become depressed. These are not only symptoms of stress, but they cause further stress for us. These are not only symptoms of stress, but they cause further stress for us. ये ना ही सिर्फ symptoms होते हैं stress के, but ये और भी ज़्यादा stress create करते हैं। Some of the important sources of psychological stress are, कुछ important psychological stress हैं जिनमें से सबसे पहला है frustration. Second one is conflict. The third one is pressure. These three are come under the category of psychological stress. ये साइकोलॉजिकल स्ट्रेस की कैटेगरी में आते हैं फ्रस्ट्रेशन, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड प्रेशर। प्रेशर भी टू कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड है। ठीक है, वन इज इंटरनल प्रेशर and another one is social pressure. So pressure are also categorized into two categories, internal pressure and social pressure. Frustration क्या है? Frustration refers to the blocking of needs and motive by something or someone that hinder us from achieving a desired goal. जो हमारा गोल है उसको अचीव करने में अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा है, हमारे नीड्स को ब्लॉक किए जा रहे हैं, तो इट लीड्स टू अ काइंड ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन। फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है। कोई भी नीड्स हैं उनको ब्लॉक किया जा रहा है. इफ एनी पर्सन वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर, ओके, उसका डिजायर है, उसका मोटिव है, रोल है, बट द फैमिली इज नॉट गिविंग एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर देम टू ग्रो, सो दैट लीड्स टू अ काइंड ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन होगा उसको. There could be a number of causes of frustration such as social discrimination, interpersonal hurt and low grades in school. बहुत सारे reasons हो सकते हैं, but some of the reasons are discussed over here, like low grades आ रहे हैं, कम the low marks are coming, interpersonal hurt है, कोई breakup है relationship का या separation है, then social discrimination हो रहा है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें जिसमें आएंगी, ये सारी चीज़ें आती हैं. दीज आर सम ऑफ द कॉजेज ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन. देन सेकेंड है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मीन्स बेसिकली रिलेटेड टू द confusion. Conflict occur when you are unable to choose between two options and two choices. So it may occur between two or more incompatible needs or motive. For example, whether to study dance or psychology. You may want to continue studies or take up a job. There may be a conflict of values when you are pressurized to take any action that may be against the values held by you. So ये सारी चीज़ें हैं conflict में. Conflict when you have to choose between the two options and two choices. So at that time the conflict arises in the person. Conflict also are of many kinds. You have studied in the class 11, like approach conflict, avoidance conflict, approach avoidance conflict, and double approach avoidance conflict. Approach conflict happen when both the things are positive. When both the things are positive and you have to choose among them, so at that time approach and approach conflict occur. In contrast to this one, when one thing is positive and one thing is negative, then the conflict which arises is the approach and avoidance conflict. वो अप्रोच और अवॉइडेंस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है. देन थर्ड वन इज द अप्रोच एंड अवॉइडेंस. आई हैड डिस्कस विद यू, बट द थर्ड वन इज द अवॉइडेंस एंड अवॉइडेंस व्हेन बोथ द सिचुएशंस आर नेगेटिव एंड यू हैव टू चूज बिटवीन देम. So then you have a conflict which is coming into your mind. It is the avoidance and avoidance conflict. So with an example, I can explain you. The first one is the conflict के types में यहाँ लिख देती हूँ. The first one is the approach and approach. Approach and approach. This is the first one. Second one is the approach or avoidance. Approach and avoidance. The third one is the avoidance and avoidance. Avoidance or avoidance. ठीक है, तो 3 I had written over here. Approach and approach, approach, avoidance, avoidance and avoidance. Approach and approach when or two things are positive, like you have an option for going to a movie also, and your friend were asking for going to a movie, and your family is taking you a restaurant. So both are the places where you want to do. You also want to do with your parents with the restaurant, because that restaurant you have not visited earlier, so you want to visit that restaurant. So this is one point. And second, you also want to go for the movie with your friends. So this is a conflict situation of approach and approach. Second came the approach and avoidance. So one is positive, one is negative. So one is positive, like you want to go for the restaurant, and another one is that you have to prepare for an examination. So one is positive, one is negative, and you have to choose between them. And avoidance when both the things are negative, like you have to submit your project work in psychology, and at the same time you have to do the notes copy of history. So both the things are negative, and what you have to choose in between, क्या करें. तो उस समय जब ये क्या करें वाली सिचुएशन जब होती है, तो that time the conflict arises in the person. So basically there are three kinds of conflict. So these are also a type of psychological stress. इनके बाद है प्रेशर. प्रेशर भी साइकोलॉजिकल स्ट्रेस में आता है. प्रेशर दो तरीके के होते हैं. देयर आर टू टाइप्स, इंटरनल एंड सोशल. Internal pressures stem from belief based upon expectation from inside us to ourselves, such as I must do everything perfectly. Such expectation can only lead to disappointment. Many of us drive ourselves ruthlessly toward achieving unrealistically high standard in achieving our goal. इंटरनल प्रेशर, हम अपने आप को, अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज़ नहीं जानते हैं, अपनी एफिशिएंसी जाने बिना हम अपने आप को एक प्रेशर देते रहते हैं. एंड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ साइकोलॉजिकल स्ट्रेस. इंटरनल प्रेशर देना, खुद को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर देना. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द सोशल प्रेशर. ये आउटसाइड होता है, ये इंटरनल नहीं होता. सोशल प्रेशर, अ प्रेशर विच वॉज पुट इन अप बाय द सोसाइटी, बाय द पीपल whom we are surrounded with, whom we are our neighborhood, our family, our relatives come under this one. So the social pressure may be brought about from people who make excessive demand on us. This can cause even greater pressure when we have to work with them. Also there are people with whom we face interpersonal difficulties, a personality clash of sorts. बेसिकली इन द वर्किंग एरिया ऑल्सो, द वर्क प्लेस में भी आपको इस तरीके के प्रेशर मिलेंगे. द सोशल प्रेशर वेयर द पर्सन विल टेल यू टू डू द वर्क ऑन अ टाइम और सबमिट इट, देयर वाज अ डेडलाइन, देयर वाज अ टाइम बाउंडेशन. सो ऑल दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स क्रिएट अ प्रेशर, create a social pressure on individual, which will be the type of psychological stress. I hope the psychological stress topic will be clear to you. Now moving to the next type of stress, which is the last one, and it is the social stress. Social stress क्या होता है? We had discussed about physical stress, we had discussed about environmental stress, we had discussed about psychological stress. The last one is the social stress. Social stress is also a type of stress. These are induced externally and result from our interaction with other people. Social events like death or illness in the family, strained and disturbed relationship, trouble with neighbors are some of the example of social stresses. These social stresses vary widely from person to person. Attending parties may be stressful for a person who likes to spend quiet evenings at home, while an outgoing person may find staying at home in the evening stressful. Wonderful explanation was given that social stress is also differ from person to person. Some person have the social stress, some person do not take it as a social stress. ठीक है, किसी किसी को स्ट्रेस होता है, किसी किसी को नहीं होता. It really vary from individual to individual. Like here the example is given over that a person is there who like to go for the outing, and but he have to stay at home. So it is stress for them. Similarly, a person who do not want to go outing, do not like the parties or gathering, so to take them in such kind of places is become stressful for them. So it differ from individual to individual. Social stress are the stress which is known to be the external stress. It is put up on the individuals by the society, by the group of people, which include the family, peer groups, neighbor, relatives, working area, colleagues, and so on. They put a social stress on an individual. Some of the examples of the social stress is also given, like for example, any death happen in the family, so that is also a kind of social stress. Anyone is ill, severely ill in your family member, like anyone is suffering from a severe disease, so that is also a kind of social stress. Thirdly, if the relationships between the members at the home are very indifferent and they are not having a very good interpersonal relationship, so that also create a social stress on that particular individual. Especially strained relationship have a very drastic effect on the child's mind. Then trouble with neighbors, if you have a quarrelsome neighbors who always quarrel with you, who always disturb you, who always annoy you, so that is also a very much disturbing point for a person. So this is the one of the things which is related to the social stress. So let me write down the points over here. What are the things come under the social stress? Like death in the family, death or illness, कोई death or illness है in family, ठीक है? Then उसके बाद after the second one is death or illness in family. Then second one is strained relationship. स्ट्रेंज रिलेशनशिप है या डिस्टर्ब्ड रिलेशनशिप है, ठीक है, स्ट्रेंज रिलेशनशिप है या डिस्टर्ब्ड रिलेशनशिप है, ठीक है. देन उसके बाद स्ट्रेंज रिलेशनशिप या डिस्टर्ब्ड रिलेशनशिप. व्हाट इज द थर्ड वन? द थर्ड वन इज द क्वारल विद द नेबर्स, ठीक है, क्वारल या ट्रबल विद नेबर्स. देन राइट डाउन है ट्रबल विद नेबर्स. अगर नेबर्स आपको ट्रबल कर रहे हैं, प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं आपके लिए, ट्रबल विद नेबर्स, सो दैट these things are come under the category of social stress. So these are some of the points which you can write down in your notes. So children, we have today discussed about the different types of stress in a very proper manner. Generally we discussed that there are generally two types of stress, U stress and D stress. But in a broad manner, there are three kinds of stress. What are the three kinds? Physical stress, environmental stress, psychological stress and social stress. The physical stress, which person have a physical exhaustion, illness or anxiety or all things, illness, injury, any kind of injury come under the physical stress. Environmental stress are all the stress which environment put on us, which our surrounding put on us. Natural disaster can also become under this category. Then psychological stress may be divided into three parts: frustration, conflict and pressure. And then social pressure, social stress are these things. So I just consider, children, you understand the topic very well, but still if you find that if you have any doubt in any of these things, you will ask in the classroom. I always suggest children for watching the video. Keep watching the video, it will be great help to you. It is just a kind of revision. We are also doing the revisions, and I just hope the more and more you will revise, I don't think so that you will not be able to succeed in your board examination. You will be able to get the good marks. It is not such a topic, it is not such a difficult topic which you are all not able to understand. So I hope you will work hard, you will understand what I am saying and this topic also. So I just say thank you so much for carefully observing this video and carefully listening to me. Thank you.